3.1 million views, 2 million views. Oh, it's getting better. 1.1 million views in 3 days. And this channel has almost 10 million subscribers with 410 videos. The owner of this channel is probably making millions of dollars with this one single channel. According to the Social Blade, this channel makes somewhere between $7,600 and $120,000. And guys, this is ad revenue only. I'm pretty sure he made double this amount from sponsors. If you are someone who is new to this channel, let me explain what we are doing here. This is the second video of my new video series where I analyze successful YouTube channels and show you how to make a channel like that and how to create videos for that. If you didn't watch the first video, make sure to watch it as well. In this video, I'm going to go through every major process. Consider this as a free course. Let me show you an example video I created with this method.
In the heart of Los Angeles, a city known for its glittering lights and Hollywood dreams, a dark shadow loomed in the 1980s. It wasn't just the smog or the towering skyscrapers that made the nights feel heavy. It was fear. Real, raw, and chilling fear. And that fear had a name: Richard Ramirez. The world would come to know him as the Night Stalker. Richard Ramirez wasn't your typical criminal. He didn't have a specific pattern or type of victim. He targeted anyone.
What do you guys think? I'm sure that this is not a typical video that all the other gurus are showing you to create, and this is a 100% monetizable video. Watch this video till the end, and you will be able to make a video like this without any struggle. Basically, this channel is a storytelling channel. These stories are about unsolved mysteries, true crime stories, and real stories. Honestly, creating videos for this niche is not that complicated. It's all about how you present these stories to your audience. And don't worry, guys, you don't have to record yourself or talk in front of a camera for this process. Let's start the process. In this video, I'm going to use some AI tools. I will include all the prompts that I'm going to use in this video in a Word document, and you can get it from the description. The first thing we must do is create a name and a description for this channel. The best and stress-free way to do that is to use ChatGPT. So, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to create 10 name suggestions for this new channel. For that, I'm going to use this specific prompt. And let's see what ChatGPT will come up with. All of these names are really amazing, but I really like this one, which is Darkline Diaries. It's such a unique name for a channel in this niche. Now, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a description for this channel as well. Without getting any stress or without wasting hours of time, we were able to find a name and a description for this channel. Now, let's create a logo and a banner as well. Again, we can ask ChatGPT for help with this process as well. ChatGPT can create a unique logo for your channel, but it all depends on your prompt. That's why I created this unique prompt for you. The name of our channel is Darkline Diaries. I'm going to use 2 D letters in the logo, and I have added several characteristics to this prompt. You can change those according to your preference. So, let's see how good at ChatGPT is making logos. This is perfect, exactly as I imagined. As you can see here, this logo has 2 D letters, and it has that creepy and horror vibe. There is a diary as well, so it represents the name of this channel. We can use this as the logo for this channel without any doubt. Now, we need to create a banner as well. I'm going to use this prompt for this process. Just like before, you can change this prompt by changing its characteristics. And let's see the result. This is perfect. This part is a little bit messy, but the top part is really good, so we can cut out the below part and use this as our banner image. Now, we can move on to the content creation process. In this process, I'm going to show you how to create script, voiceovers, AI avatars, and video for this niche. For this process, I'm going to use Wondershare Virbo. It's a multifunctioning AI tool that you can use for this niche. You can download this tool from the link in the description and use it. First, let me show you how to find video ideas for this niche. You can always use Google to find such topics for videos. There are some sites that have all the information about these stories. What you can do is you can check these sites and create a list of topics, or you can get the help from ChatGPT. What you can do is go to this channel, or any channel related to this niche. I'm going to get several video topics from this channel, and ask ChatGPT to provide similar topics related to true incidents. So, I have created this specific prompt to generate 20 video ideas for this channel. You can get it from the Word document, and let's see what ChatGPT will come up with. Okay, great. Now we have 20 video ideas, which is enough for like 2 months. I'm going to select one of these topics and show you how to create a monetizable video for this from scratch. First, we need to create a script for this. Guys, remember, we need this script to sound like telling a story. That's why I'm going to use Virbo AI for that process, because it has the ability to make natural and human sound scripts. First, you need to select this scriptwriter tool, and here you need to type the prompt to generate this story. I have created a specific prompt for this process as well. I'm going to copy it to this tool, and let's generate it. As you can see here, we have our script. Let's say you want to improve this script or shorten the script. All you need to do is select one of these options, and this tool will rewrite the script according to your respond. So I'm going to make this script more engaging, and let's see the result. Okay, this is perfect. Now you can copy this script to a Word document and customize to make it more natural. Let's create a talking avatar to tell this story. Click this Create Video option, and now you need to select the size of the project. This avatar is for a long video. Therefore, make sure to select this landscape ratio. Then, you will come to this page. As you can see here, you can move this AI avatar around. I'm going to change the background color of this video to green. Now, I'm going to change this avatar. I don't think that it is suitable for this niche. If you go to this avatar option from the top menu, you will be able to see a lot of AI avatars. And if you want to create your own avatar with your face or any other AI-generated character, go to this talking photo opinion and select this plus icon. Here you need to upload a clear and quality picture, and this tool will convert it to an AI avatar. For this niche, I'm going to go to this education option and select a suitable avatar from here. I think this one would be suitable for this video. So, let's use it. Now, you need to select a suitable AI voice for this avatar. Click this option to view all the available voices. Now, you can filter these voices by language, gender, and orientation. I think an entertainment voice would fit this niche. You can preview these voices and select a suitable one for your videos. I'm going to go with this one, which is Tom. And now all you need to do is paste your video script here and click this export button. This will take several minutes to complete. Let's see the final output.
In the heart of Los Angeles, a city known for its glittering lights and Hollywood dreams, a dark shadow loomed in the 1980s. It wasn't just the smog or the towering skyscrapers that made the nights feel heavy. It was fear. Real, raw, and chilling fear.
This is perfect. Now let's download this video. The next step is to create suitable images and videos to represent this story. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to show you two different ways to do that. The first method is a manual method, and the second method is an automated method. First, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create several image-generating prompts to represent this story. As you can see here, we have 20 prompts, which means we can create 20 images using these prompts. For the image generation process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. I'm going to select this model to generate these images. First, make sure to select this landscape size for these images. Then you can copy these prompts that we generated using ChatGPT and create images to represent all the scenes in our story. So, just like this, create images for all the scenes. Now, I'm going to convert these images to videos. By doing this, you can improve the quality of your video, and it will help you to monetize your channel as well. Come back to the home page and select this motion option. Then click this select image option and go to your generations. Now, you will be able to see all the images that you just generated. Select the image you want to convert into a video and click confirm. Now you will come to this page. Here you can adjust the motion strength, and once you are done with that, click the generate button, and that's all. You don't need to convert all the images to videos, just do a few of them, that would be enough. Before we go to the editing process, we need to download background music for this video. You can download suitable music from the YouTube audio library for free. Now, it's time to edit all these images. I'm going to use CapCut to edit these videos. It's a free video editor. You can download it from Google for free. Open CapCut and start a new project. Click this Modify button. Here you need to select 16:9 aspect ratio. Then, click this Import button and import all the images, videos, and audio we generated. First, I'm going to add this video of city view to the timeline. And then, you need to add the talking avatar video on top of it. Now, let me show you how to remove this green screen. Go to this Remove Background option from this side menu, and click this Chroma key option. Now select this eyedropper tool, bring it to this green color area, and select it, as you can see here. The green color part was removed. Now, you need to increase the intensity and shadows to 100%, and it will smoothen the edges. Then, you need to add all the videos and images in the correct order to the timeline. Now that I have added all the clips to the timeline, at the start of the video, I'm going to add the topic of the video. For that, go to this text option and drag a text layer to the timeline. I'm gonna rename it to the Night Stalker, and let's customize this text. We need to add a font that has some unique and creepy vibe, and I think this one would be suitable for that. Now, I'm gonna add some text effects to this text. Go to these effects, and you can select a suitable text effect from these. I think this effect gives that dark and 90s vibe. This is perfect. Now, if you want, you go to this transitions option and add suitable transitions between these clips. It's up to you. Then, I'm gonna go to these effects, and let's add some cool effects to these clips. There are some amazing effects with horror vibes, so make sure to add suitable effects to these clips. It will improve the quality of the output. After that, we need to add captions to this video. Go to text and select this auto caption option. Make sure to select the language as English and click this generate button to make captions. Now, let's customize these captions. Let's make all the letters capital and a little bit bigger. Now we need to add a bold font that is easy to read. So, I think this font would be suitable for this. Again, go to the effects and select a good text effect for this video. I'm gonna use the same effect that I used for the previous text. Now, go to the animations and select this caption option. As you can see here, there are a lot of text animations, so I'm gonna select this animation for the captions. Now, you can add the background music to the video and make sure to reduce its volume to match the voiceovers. And guys, that's all. Our video is done. And guys, if you don't want to do this process manually, you can use a video creator like SmartShort for this process. I will leave the link in the description for this tool. All you need to do is go to this dashboard option and start a new project. Here you need to paste the script we generated earlier, and then make sure to select the landscape as the size for this video. Now you can select any voice from here. It doesn't matter because we already have created the voiceovers. Then, you need to select a suitable model from these and make sure to enable all these options to get a good result, especially this 3D motion. After you edit all these steps, click this generate button to generate the video, and let's see the output.
In the heart of Los Angeles, a city known for its glittering lights and Hollywood dreams, a dark shadow loomed in the 1980s. It wasn't just the smog or the towering skyscrapers that made the nights feel heavy. It was fear, real, raw, and chilling fear. And that fear had a name, Richard Ramirez. The world would come to know him as the Night Stalker. Richard Ramirez wasn't your typical criminal.
This is actually good. Now, just like we did before, you can add the AI avatar on top of this video. I'm not going to do that process again here. Now, let me show you how to create a thumbnail for this video. For that, I have created this specific prompt. Let's go to Leonardo AI to create the thumbnail. So, just like we did before, I'm going to paste the prompt here. You can edit this prompt according to your video ideas. And let's see the result. Wow, this is amazing. All we need to do is add some text to this. For that process, you can use any image editor. I'm going to use Photoshop for this. You just need to add some text about your video and edit it. And guys, if you want to learn how to make thumbnails using Photoshop, watch this video. It's a free tutorial, and you can learn a lot of things about thumbnail creation from it. Now, this is the final thumbnail. I think it's perfect. Now we can go to the final part of this course, which is uploading the video and doing SEO part to get more views. For this, I'm going to use a special tool, and it's called vidIQ. This is a paid tool, but you can get it for just $1 from the link in the description. I use this tool for all of my YouTube channels, and it works every time. When someone searches your video on YouTube, keywords are one of the main things that will determine whether your video will appear in the first page or last page. Let me show you how to find keywords for this specific niche. Let's go to vidIQ. Go to this keyword option and search your main keyword. In this case, I'm going to type true crime. Now, as you can see here, the search volume for this specific keyword is more than 1 million, and it has been considered as a medium competitive keyword. And you can see all the related keywords and matched keywords as well. If you scroll down to the bottom, these are the videos that have this keyword and are trending now. So, you can check these top trending videos for your keywords and get a good idea about how many daily views they are getting. Now, I want you to go to this related keywords tab. Here, you will be able to see all the other keywords that are related to this specific keyword, and as you can see here in this table, we have the search volume and the competition, whether it's low, medium, or high. Now, you need to select at least 5 keywords with low competition and create a description using those keywords, and you must include several keywords in your title as well. Now, let me show you how to optimize the video title, description, and tags with these keywords. Now, I have added the main keyword that we selected as the title. Now, as you can see here, vidIQ has suggested several title suggestions, but in this case, we are going to use this title that we created. Now, the title is done. For the description, always add the title of the video at the top. And we need to add related keywords to this description. Now you need to create a natural description for this video using the keywords that you selected earlier. And I have added all the keywords and created a natural description like this. Now, this description has more than 5 related keywords. Once you are done with the description, scroll down and go to the tags. As you can see here, we have some suggested tags as well. Let's add these to the tags. Now, I need you to go to this keyword inspector option and paste the main keyword that we selected. And now, you will be able to get all the related and matching keywords for your word. Add all the necessary keywords by clicking this plus icon. You can add keywords up to 500 letters. Once you add all the related keywords, you need to check this actionable SEO score from this side. If it's higher than 45, then your video has a good SEO score. And guys, that's how you must optimize your videos with keywords to get more views. And with that, today's video has come to an end, and I will see you guys in the next video.